In this video, I'll guide you on how to reset your Midea air conditioner remote control and fix any problem like your Midea air conditioner remote control not working or not responding with your Midea air conditioner, or some buttons on the remote control are not just working. In any of these cases, resetting your Midea air conditioner remote control might just help you fix the problem. Now, this is going to work out for literally any model of Midea air conditioner remote control you have. As you can see, I have two different models over here, but regardless of the model, you want to try any of these solutions and they will definitely work out for you. Now, first thing you want to do is to reset your Midea air conditioner remote control by draining it of any power source. You can do this on any model, but I'm going to be using this one for that particular reset method. And what you want to do basically would be to turn over to the back of your Midea air conditioner remote control. Go ahead and open up the battery pack. So just push from over here, and now you can remove both batteries from your Midea air conditioner remote control, just like so. You want to do the same thing for the other battery. Now, as soon as you remove both batteries from the Midea air conditioner remote control, what you want to do is to long press on this power button for about 5 seconds. So just press and hold the power button, and after 5 seconds, you want to go ahead and release the power button. This is going to drain the Midea air conditioner remote control of any power source. Remember, it works on any model, so you can also try it on these models as well. And after the 5 seconds, you can proceed to insert both batteries into your air conditioner remote control again. Make sure you place both batteries as they are supposed to be, just like so. If your batteries are also bad, make sure you actually change the batteries as well, because sometimes the batteries might actually be causing the remote control not to work properly. So if you can get new batteries, also make sure you change the batteries, insert them into the AC remote control. Now, once you're done, you can proceed to try turning on your Midea air conditioner again with the power button of your Midea air conditioner remote control, and it will most likely work out pretty well for you. But if this does not work out for you, depending on the model of Midea air conditioner remote control you have, if you have a reset button like this one over here, there is this whole labeled reset, then you can get literally any tiny pin as this one over here. Just proceed to insert it into this little hole. Now, once you press and hold it for some seconds and then release it, you're going to see it is going to reset itself, and then you will now have to set up the AC remote control again and start using your Midea air conditioner with the remote control one more time. That will be all on this video, guys. If this tutorial was helpful, please let me know in the comment section and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.